Everybody, I am back with the Patriotic, well, home tour, but it's pretty much just my outside porch, in here in the dining room. I got a little bit in the kitchen and a little bit in the living room. I don't do a whole lot like I do fall, but I will show you anyways. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and the little bell, and here we go. So this year I decorated the hutch, and I got my bunny, Patriotic bunny. The ears, I have 12 different months for those, but I only use a few of them. So I'll use fall, Christmas, sometimes Easter, but once Easter's over, I'll put the Patriotic stuff up, and that stays up until the fall. All this will stay up until fall. But I did that, and then I've got a little sign that says American, home of the free, I'm free. A little saying, I'll go over there in just a minute. And I got my little hutch right there, and I've got the USA banner hanging and that one. And I got my table. The table does not look like this on a day-to-day basis at all. I just cleaned it up, but there's some pretty red. I don't have anything blue. I would have to put something blue in here, and I probably could have added a couple of flowers to the little cups. But that changes for fall and for Christmas. I decorate it for that. So there's that, and I just left my roses up on my mirror. This little hutch over here, I have that other lantern I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. I'll do something with it, but for now it's sitting right there. And there's my little USA, some red right there. And then over here I've got my ladder, has the USA on there, and it's got a little streamer hanging. And then on my shelf I didn't put anything on there. And then by the door, I have the signs that Ariel made a few years ago. And it's the USA, God bless the USA, and her little flags right there by the door. And then behind the door, I got my wreath up there. That actually lights up. And then I put her Uncle Sam hat right there, and the little America thing right there. And I've got my spring, summer bird cage right there. I want to do something different with that. And then my walk-in table, I cleaned it off because it had a ton of stuff on here. It's a catch-all. My table, it seems like all the tables are catch-alls. But I kind of made that nice and pretty with one of those lanterns. I have 3 of them now, so I can decorate with them. Don't mind the other mess. And then let's go into the living room. And I did the mantle. So in here, I just did the mantle. So on my little wagon, I added some red, white, and blue and my sunflowers. I added my little shutter that I made a couple years ago. I found the banner to go across the fireplace. We don't use the fireplace in the summer. And then I hung a little bow on that lantern. My little firecrackers I made. The wooden firecrackers, my little bows that go across, and then my little flag blocks, and America, land of the free, right there in front of my mirror. So that's the living room. So when you walk in my door, that's what you see is, and I'll show you, I'll go back. I don't want to make you dizzy, but okay, here's the door. So when we have people come here for any reason actually, but when somebody comes and picks up a gun or had one delivered here, they see this and they see this, minus the clothes on the couch. I'm in the middle of doing laundry. So that's what they see. And hopefully it's all picked up better than that with no laundry on the couch. But my laundry room's not done yet. And so once that gets done, I could put a piece of plywood down actually and make use of it for folding laundry and stuff. I could do that now, because he's not quite ready to finish it. He's not done with the cabinets. So take a little bit longer than what we expected. And then you see in my kitchen, you see right there. So I've got the home of the free and the brave on my dishwasher. And then up in the window, I made that little ribbon. It's a burlap ribbon, and it's, let me get up closer because of the light. You can't see it, but it has stripes on it. And then I have my 3-tier tray right here. So that's all that's on here, and plus my cabinets are always decorated for the season. So I put the Patriotic up on that. So there's that. So pretty. So I hope you liked inside. Now I'm going to pause this, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the outside. And you can see Bear up in his seat. He's sitting. I got the flag blowing, and I decorated my little pots. You saw that already. And I got a wildflower growing. That's the only one that grew. I put a bunch of wildflowers in that area, and that's the only one that grew. And the ones in the pots haven't grown. So I was going to get some ones that are already bloomed and put them in there so it looks pretty on the front. But I have my little chuck. It's a blue chuck, not a red chuck. Patriotic thing. I have my bird feeder. Actually, they're my husband's bird feeders, his hummingbirds. He loves watching them. And then let's get a little closer. I have my old tub. I want to decorate it, but then if I put sand or dirt in there, I'll have to take it out, and I don't want to. So there's my big wooden firecrackers, my welcome sign, my little bird cage. Last time you saw that, it was green. I had my husband paint it white, and I put red, white, and blue flowers in there and some red, white, and blue bow on there. I did put the flowers in the flower pots like I said I was going to do. And don't mind the pesticide right there. That's plant grow and whatever, but Bear is sitting enjoying the little breeze. Oh, buddy. So there's my outside, and there's my little heart wreath. I just put a star on there. So that's it for out front here this year for Patriotic, and I think that's pretty good. I am gonna go find some, like, oh, I don't know what they're called, those flowers. Not mums, but they're hydrangeas, I think. And I think I'll find, if I can, I'll get some of those and put them in there. If not, then it won't get decorated this year. But I want to find some, those are summertime pillows and fall. But I wanted to find like blue because the little seat covers, and my cat's on there. Sophia's on there, my outside kitty. But they're sunflowers. I mean, they look cute, but for Patriotic, I want to try to find a red, white, and blue flag or something like that to put on there. But that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed my little home Patriotic tour for 2021. And we will see you all again very soon. Bye now.